failure. That word alone can make your chest tighten. But what if I told you? It's not failure that's destroying your life. It's what you believe failure says about you. You don't keep failing because you're weak. You keep failing because deep inside, you've linked your worth to your performance. And when you fail, your mind doesn't say you failed. It says, you are a failure. This is the hidden weight on your back, the invisible prison of self-worth theory. And if you don't confront it, you'll keep running in circles, motivated for a moment, broken the next. Martin Covington, a psychologist from the University of California, said something revolutionary, that human beings don't fear failure. They fear the meaning they attach to it. We don't want to be seen as lazy, weak, or incapable. So instead, we sabotage, we procrastinate. We stop trying because trying and failing hurts more than not trying at all. You protect your self-worth like glass, and every crack in performance feels like a crack in identity. It's not about grades, careers, or likes on a post. It's about who you think you are when no one's watching. Think about the kid who always says, I didn't study, so if I fail, it doesn't count. That's not arrogance, that's armor. We've all done it. We delay the work, we ghost the opportunity. Why? Because failing confirms our biggest fear, that we're not worthy. You wear a crown made of excuses, each one shining enough to distract, but hollow enough to break. You fear the world seeing your cracks, so you paint over them. Here's the truth nobody told you. You were born worthy. Worth is not a reward, it's a reality. You don't earn it through success, and you don't lose it through failure. Your self-worth is not GPA, your job title, or how many people validate your dreams. It is the quiet understanding that no matter how messy, how flawed, or how bruised, you are still enough. So how do you change it? How do you break free from the loop? It begins with one word: awareness. You must see the pattern before you break it. Every time you feel like a failure, pause. Ask, is this about the result, or about what I think the result says about me? Then act. Small wins, tiny steps. Every promise you keep to yourself is a brick in the house of trust. Make your bed, drink water, write your thoughts, forgive the day, then rise tomorrow. Self-worth isn't found, it's built. You were never meant to earn your place in the world. You were meant to express your truth in it. Maybe you weren't failing all this time. Maybe you were just believing the wrong story about yourself. You're not the rejection. You're the one who kept showing up anyway. You're not the broken part. You're the soul that stayed alive through it all. And that's not weakness, that's strength with a heartbeat. If this message found you today, don't scroll past. Someone else is fighting the same silent battle. Send it to them. And if you're still breathing, you still have time to write a new story. Hit like, subscribe, and stay awake with us. Because healing isn't a moment, it's a movement.